video log of the photo shoot. Gonna get some nice rollers here on our way out to a spot by the airport. It's gonna be awesome. The guy with the matching shirt.
Yeah, that's kind of where I was going, so.
It's fun though. Get to do crazy stuff like this. I almost brought my kids with me. So we successfully filmed here. We had some visitors. See him taking off down there. Really nice guy though. Just stuck around while we filmed for 10 minutes or so. Fuzz showed up at the last spot. He was real cool about it. Let us keep filming. He actually gave us a spot we could go. I don't know, maybe we'll check it out. Running out of daylight, but these sunset shots are amazing. We're out here in an undisclosed area. It was actually recommended to us by a police officer. Wonder what they're keeping in there. Ah, she looks shiny. Catching rollers. We sent him the bill. There she is. Got old Ratchet Reece getting pretty serious down there. Good times on the photo shoot. Catching rollers. So I guess we're done on this spot for a minute. Getting some rollers from the other side now. Maybe get a little speed going. I don't know, a little smoke maybe. So I think we pissed off that Beamer. He was sitting over here talking on the phone. I think he was talking to his mistress. Had to go to an undisclosed location. Found ourselves a winner right here.
So many bugs.
Little, yeah. I couldn't get the camera up fast enough. Fiat, the cousin that married into Mopar. Trying not to bother the neighbors. Found ourselves a friend. He offered to buy the car. Oh, the Escort just smashed it! She saw the Hemi and thought, oh man, I gotta smash it. The equipment of a true professional. Just a stroll through the wilderness. Because she's wild. I promise, we're not dumping. No climbing on levee. You've noted.
So my name is Reece Fraser. I've been doing photography for about 5-6 years now. Contact me. My Instagram should be in the description. I'm guessing. Hopefully he puts in the description. At Ratchet Reece. I'm not Ratchet, just like the name. Went together. Yeah, definitely hit me up to shoot.
Yeah, we did. We did. We got some great ones. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Sorry to put the camera in your face. Bri, thank you very much.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, you're an awesome driver. Yeah.
Gotta get the rollers somehow.
Gotta get the rollers.
That's right.
Always down with the rollers.
We didn't crash, so that's a good thing.
That's good. And we went over the bridge.
I was kind of scared. I was like, I got over for a second, and then I was like, all right, we're good. No more cars coming. So
yeah, man. Oh, that was great.
You have to send it. That's all you gotta do is send it.
Yeah, man. I really appreciate it, guys.
Yeah,
Thanks very much.
Good
We just wrapped up. I paid the man. Got to pay your creatives. And I think we should have pictures here in a couple days. Hoping to get one posterized. And I think we had a lot of success. Oh, we got to take a look at the damage. So we're riding low and dirty here. So you can see the tires are well roasted. Nothing on the paint.